Hi, I'm John Winski, Director of Sales at Coperion K-Tron. And today I'm here to talk about one of our feeders featured at NPE, which is our K2ML T35 Quick Change Feeder. The feeder itself is configured here as on our D5 digital platform weighing scale. It includes our KCM controller along with our ActiFlow, which aids in moving the material from the hopper into the screw. As we said, it's the Quick QC feeder, which the QC stands for Quick Change. And here I have the single screw S60 feeder that can change from the base feeder. So if you have processes that are flexible and require a lot of different feed materials, whether it be pellets, powders, or aggressive materials, we can very easily use the same feeder by making the change from a twin screw, as shown here, to a single screw. We're in the show this week. Have much equipment here to show you. If you have the time, please stop by. We'd like to talk to you more about your application and see how the QC feeder can be of assistance for you. Thank you for your time today.